Bangladesh has been taking significant steps to modernize its military. The country aims to enhance its defense capabilities. To achieve this goal, Bangladesh has looked to international partners for advanced technology. One of the key partners in this effort is Turkey. Turkey has a strong defense industry. It produces a range of advanced military equipment. Bangladesh has recently acquired several defense systems from Turkey. These acquisitions mark a new era in Bangladesh's military modernization. The partnership between Bangladesh and Turkey is strategic. It helps Bangladesh strengthen its defense. It also boosts the relationship between the two countries. This essay explores the details of Bangladesh's new acquisitions and their impact. Bangladesh has acquired several key technologies from Turkey. One of the notable acquisitions is the MKE Boran 105mm howitzer. This is a lightweight artillery piece. It is highly mobile and easy to deploy. The Boran howitzer enhances Bangladesh's artillery capabilities. Another significant acquisition is Roketsan's TRG-300 and TRG-230 guided multiple rocket launch systems. These systems provide precision strike capabilities. They can engage targets at long ranges. This is a major boost for Bangladesh's firepower. In addition, Bangladesh has also acquired Bayraktar TB2 drones from Turkey. These drones are known for their effectiveness. They can carry out surveillance and strike missions. The Bayraktar TB2 drones bring advanced aerial capabilities to Bangladesh. These technologies represent a substantial upgrade. They reflect Bangladesh's commitment to modernizing its military. They also demonstrate the strength of the partnership with Turkey. The new technologies have significant implications for Bangladesh. The MKE Boran 105mm howitzers improve artillery mobility. They allow for rapid deployment in various terrains. This enhances Bangladesh's ability to respond quickly to threats. The Roketsan TRG-300 and TRG-230 guided rockets offer precision. They enable Bangladesh to engage targets accurately. This reduces collateral damage and increases operational effectiveness. These systems also extend the reach of Bangladesh's artillery. The Bayraktar TB2 drones provide advanced surveillance. They can monitor large areas and gather intelligence. This improves situational awareness. Additionally, the drones can carry out precision strikes. This adds a new dimension to Bangladesh's combat capabilities. Overall, these technologies enhance Bangladesh's defensive and offensive operations. They provide the military with modern tools. This is crucial for maintaining national security. Section 4. Turkey's role in Bangladesh's military transformation. Turkey plays a vital role in Bangladesh's military modernization. The Turkish defense industry is known for its innovation. It provides high-quality military equipment. This makes Turkey an ideal partner for Bangladesh. The partnership between Bangladesh and Turkey is mutually beneficial. Bangladesh gains access to advanced technology. Turkey strengthens its ties with a strategic partner. This collaboration also boosts Turkey's defense exports. Turkey's support is not limited to equipment. It also includes training and technical assistance. Turkish experts help Bangladeshi personnel operate and maintain the new systems. This ensures that Bangladesh can fully utilize the acquired technologies. The strategic partnership between the two countries is growing. It is based on mutual respect and shared interests. This partnership is key to Bangladesh's military transformation. Section 5. Conclusion. Future prospects for Bangladesh's defense capabilities. The acquisition of Turkish defense technology marks a significant milestone. It is a major step in Bangladesh's military modernization. The new equipment enhances the country's defense capabilities. It provides the military with advanced tools. The partnership with Turkey is strategic. It strengthens the relationship between the two countries. It also provides Bangladesh with access to cutting-edge technology. This collaboration is crucial for Bangladesh's future defense prospects. The impact of these acquisitions is profound. They improve Bangladesh's operational effectiveness. They enhance the country's ability to respond to threats. This is vital for maintaining national security. In conclusion, Bangladesh's military modernization is on the right track. The integration of Turkish defense technology is a key part of this process. The future looks promising for Bangladesh's defense capabilities.